Hello. This video will show you how to change your sharing type of a Google Sheets project, as well as submit it in Canvas properly. First, you want to make sure that your sheet is saved with the proper name and you have it moved to your DAR folder. Next, in the upper right-hand corner, you will have a green Share button. We'll click Share, and we want to change the link. So I'm going to click Change Link to MSD Warren Township. And from this screen, I'm going to click Copy Link, and then Done. At this point, you are ready to submit your work through Canvas. So I'm going to go back over to Canvas. I'm going to click Submit Assignment. It will pop up with a website URL. So I'm going to click and paste into that URL, and I will click Submit Assignment. Your confetti will pop up, and you have successfully submitted your assignment. You are complete.